In this video today, we will see how many times a value is repeated in an Excel. I have a column A where I have some names, and if you see, this name has been repeated 3 times. So if I want to find out how many times it has been repeated, what I will do is I will use a formula equals to count if, and then open the bracket. I will drag and select the range. So this is the range where I want to find the value, comma. Now the criteria will be the name. So if you are using a name, then you have to open inverted comma and then write the name, close the inverted comma and close the bracket, enter. So this name has been repeated thrice, 1, 2, 3. Similarly, I can go here, equals to count if, and then select the range. So range is from here to here, comma. Now in this case, the criteria will be 1000. So for numbers, you don't need to use inverted comma. You can directly write the number, close the bracket, enter. This value has been repeated thrice in this column.